Welcome back our channel. Now we draw KUROMI. Okay, thank you. Let's go to the video. I ellipse shape inside two rounds and a star shape. Another eye for an ellipse shape and two circles and star shape. Nose. Small circle. Now we draw hand like this. Like this. A butterfly. And one and center of the face. Like this. The side like this. Now we draw face. Like this. Wow. Now we draw head. Like this. Yeah. Logo. Main logo. Logo eye. KUROMI dress. Small circle and one small circle here and here and draw like this. Here to here, okay. Here to here. Wow, see, very easy. And the earbud. Next, okay, small round. Yeah. Wow. Another side is little bit bigger than that side. Okay. Wow. Small round. Haha. KUROMI. Now we go to the coloring. Okay. First of all, eyesight. Inside. Black color for eye inside. Let's do that. Wow. Eyes. Naturally eyes will come. Pink color for logo. This is some details in face. This color. cement color. Wow, that's very easy step by step. But together we will draw easy. How is the video? As if you are like this video, kindly subscribe me and like this video and share this video. Wow, very nice. How is that, friend? Thank you very much. Subscribe and like and share.